The giant panda is one of the most enchanting creatures in the natural world, with its distinctive black and white fur and specialized diet of bamboo that has captivated scientists and wildlife enthusiasts alike for centuries. As an iconic umbrella species, the conservation of giant pandas has far-reaching implications for the preservation of entire ecosystems, including the lush mountain forest of China, where they reside. As we venture into the Misty Mountains to uncover the secrets of this beloved bear, get ready to be mesmerized by the intricate dance between this incredible animal and its fragile yet resilient environment. Belonging to the family Ursidae, the giant panda is a member of the bear family, but its distinctiveness lies in its specialized diet and digestive system. The panda's digestive system is specially designed to break down cellulose in bamboo, allowing it to thrive on this abundant yet nutritionally poor food source. This specialization is evident in its enlarged liver and longer digestive tract compared to other bears, enabling more efficient extraction of nutrients from bamboo. My expeditions in the field have taken me to the Misty Mountains of China, where I've had the privilege of observing giant pandas in their natural habitat. The panda's habitat is characterized by cool, humid climates with abundant bamboo forests, typically found at elevations between 2,200 and 4,500 meters above sea level. These mountain ranges provide a unique combination of geography and climate that supports the growth of various bamboo species, which are the panda's primary food source. The evolutionary history of the giant panda is a captivating story that dates back to the late Pliocene era, around 2 to 3 million years ago. Fossil records indicate that early panda ancestors were more carnivorous than their modern counterparts, but over time they adapted to a diet predominantly consisting of bamboo. This dietary shift likely occurred in response to changes in their environment and the availability of food resources. Key researchers have significantly contributed to our understanding of the giant panda's biology and ecology. Notably, George Schaler's pioneering work in the 1980s provided invaluable insight into the panda's behavior, habitat requirements, and population dynamics. More recent studies have focused on the panda's genetic diversity, revealing a surprisingly low level of genetic variation within the species. This limited genetic diversity makes conservation efforts even more critical to ensure the long-term survival of the giant panda. In terms of ecological relationships, the giant panda plays a vital role in its ecosystem as both a herbivore and an engineer. By dispersing bamboo seeds through its digestive system, the panda contributes to the regeneration of bamboo forests. Additionally, the panda's digging activities create pathways that can be used by other animals, such as the golden pheasant and the Chinese marnel, facilitating movement through the dense underbrush. The conservation status of the giant panda is a complex issue, with ongoing efforts to protect its habitat and increase population numbers. While the species has been downlisted from endangered to vulnerable on the IUCN Red List, thanks to concerted conservation efforts, human activities such as deforestation, urbanization, and infrastructure development continue to pose significant threats to the panda's habitat and survival. In my expeditions to the Misty Mountains of China, I've had the privilege of observing pandas using a variety of vocalizations, including barks, whistles, and honks, to convey information and express emotions. These vocalizations are often used for mating, warning calls, or even signaling friendly interactions. For instance, a mother panda will use a specific whistle to communicate with her cubs, teaching them essential survival skills and reinforcing their bond. One of the most intriguing examples of giant panda communication is their use of scent marking. Pandas have scent glands located on their chest, near their front paws, and on their face, which they use to leave chemical signals on bamboo stalks, trees, and even rocks. These scent marks convey information about an individual panda's identity, sex, and reproductive status, playing a crucial role in mate selection and territory establishment. As I've observed in the field, pandas will often carefully sniff these scent marks, gathering vital information about their surroundings and potential mates. The giant panda's habitat is also home to a variety of other fascinating species, including the golden pheasant, the Chinese marnel, and the snow leopard. These species interact with the panda in complex ways, forming a delicate web of relationships that underpin the ecosystem. For example, the golden pheasant's bright plumage serves as a warning signal to potential predators, while the Chinese marnel's digging activities help to aerate the soil, benefiting the growth of bamboo and other vegetation. Key researchers have made significant contributions to our understanding of the giant panda's behavior and ecology. Notably, Dr. Pan Wenqi's work on panda behavior and conservation has provided valuable insights into the species' social structure, mating habits, and habitat requirements. More recent studies have focused on the panda's cognitive abilities, revealing a surprising level of problem-solving skills and adaptability. For instance, researchers have observed pandas using tools, such as rocks, to help them extract bamboo shoots from difficult-to-reach places. In terms of ecological relationships, the giant panda plays a vital role in maintaining the balance of its ecosystem. As a herbivore, it helps to disperse seeds and facilitate the growth of new bamboo shoots. Additionally, the panda's digging activities create pathways that can be used by other animals, such as the snow leopard, which preys on smaller species like the blue sheep and the marmot. This complex interplay of predator-prey dynamics and habitat niches is essential to maintaining the health and diversity of the ecosystem. The panda's unique adaptations, its role as a herbivore and engineer, and its complex communication methods all serve as reminders of the awe-inspiring diversity and interconnectedness of our planet's ecosystems. The giant panda teaches us that even in the most remote and seemingly isolated corners of our world, life is intertwined, and that our actions can have far-reaching consequences. As we bid farewell to this incredible creature, let us carry with us the memory of its gentle gaze, its resilient spirit, and the wisdom it imparts, that in a world where every thread is connected, our own existence is inextricably linked to the fate of the natural world. That's all for today's Nature with Aristotle. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and until next time, may your curiosity about the natural world continue to flourish.